Hi everyone, my name's Robert.
Hi everyone, my name's Racquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're showing you a video of how we use the environment to shoot in natural light. So please watch and enjoy.
Yeah. See you on the other side.
Bye.
Hi everyone and welcome back. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Absolutely.
So we just kind of run over what we've done on the shoot and how we kind of approached it.
Minimal setup.
Very minimal setup. We were on foot.
We was on foot,
Yes.
literally from the tube.
Yeah.
We had a rucksack and we were walking around.
Yeah. So we had, I can't remember, but I'm sure you can.
So you know we love Sony, so we're going to always have our Sony
Yes.
camera. We shot with the 85mm, we shot with the 55mm and the Canon 135.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I will add, we did add the AD200. We shouldn't have, but we just wanted to see.
Just in case. And if you'll actually see it, I'm sure you saw at the end of the video, we had it with a mag mod, just sitting on the table. We didn't actually bring a stand with us due to the area we were. Lots of security. We did actually get stopped by security a couple of times.
We did.
Okay. But because it was a minimal setup and we said, well, it wasn't for...
Well, we just said that because it was we didn't have a massive stand, they allowed us.
Yeah, they let us off, yeah. So it's literally just the cameras, and then towards the end we dropped the AD200 on a table.
So no one saw.
Yes. One of the things you have to look at as well when doing a shoot without flash, you know, a lot of times we use the flash to help separate the subject from the background. So you basically have what you have, you know, you have natural light, you deal with the elements. So you really have to look at your background when composing a shot. You have to look at, you know, you obviously want to incorporate, we like incorporating stuff into our shots, but you have to look at, sometimes you could have like a dustbin or something, or a tree sticking out ahead, or a dustbin, you know, at the side of a foot, and they're really hard to clone out. So those things you really have to kind of look at.
Also, I love the creative side of things, which is leading lines. As you can see, a lot of the shots were leading lines. Reflective surfaces. I mean, literally, we walked into that shopping centre and I ran. I was like, oh, Robert, look, a reflective surface. And I just grabbed the model to reflect.
Yeah.
So that was wonderful. Also, there was like a water area and I framed her sitting on the kind of stone edge.
Yes.
And I even got her touching the water, and there's an image of me her touching the water so you could see the rippling effect. And that's the kind of things I like, that creative side of things that make an image just that little bit different.
You see Racquel really loves reflections and just bits and pieces. We're going to actually add another image from another shoot we've done earlier on last year, where we shot a model and Racquel found this red wall, lost the plot, and grabbed the model straight against the wall, and we'll stick one of the images up there and we'll give a link to that video as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a couple of shots towards the end of the video, you can see we pulled out the AD200,
We did.
stuck it on the table, no stand, and we done some shots where we kind of fronted it over the light and used the sun as kind of like a side. It wasn't directly backlight, sort of like a side backlight. You know, obviously we're still kind of new to the Magnum Mod system.
Yeah, very much.
I've seen some great stuff with Magnum Mod. Really want to learn it, so we'll be using that in the future. But yeah, you can see a couple of shots where we're using Magnum Mod to side light her. I think we've got a couple more as well. We might add to this video as well. Also, one of the things we've really kept in mind when we're shooting on that is using objects to frame your subject. And here's another image, not from this shoot, mind you, but here's an image here where, all right, then I'll give her props. It was Racquel, grabbed this model and stuck in front of this door, green door, in a black dress. It was a great image. Really loved it. Yeah, so let us know what you think.
Also, I would kind of like to add that we know that a lot of you have been requesting that we do some behind the scenes. Yes. How do we deal with a model? What do we say to them? Because of copyright issues on music, a lot of the times we bring music on set to encourage the model to make them feel comfortable around us and around the environment that they're shooting in. So that's some of the reasons why we wouldn't shoot. I'm not saying we're not going to do one in the future, because we will. But what I'm going to do is just show you a little couple of clippets of what we said to the model when we were trying to get her to shoot that day, so that you can have a kind of an idea. Play with that. That's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. You must capture that, Robert. That is beautiful. I've got to find. Well, keep on looking that way, Debbie. That is so delicious. Beautiful. Absolutely.
Take a step forward, up a step forward. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Right, 3, 2, 1. And finally, to add, we have now launched a new group on Facebook.
That's right.
It's called the Photographers Creative Workshop. The reason why we created this group was that, I suppose through, all photographers go for that patch where they lose some sort of creative and they need some creative inspiration. I've had that quite a bit. Racquel hasn't had that a lot. She's very creative.
I'm just too creative.
But I do have it now and again. So we kind of created this group to really inspire people, to, get people, back on track. It's not just it's not just old photographers.
It can be anybody with any levels. Yeah. Anybody that's new to the game, who's like was me 3 years ago, a novice, didn't really know anything, to somebody who's phenomenal.
Yeah, we've got lots of people in the group. We've got all different levels. So we've got people that shot magazines. We've got people that shoot with smartphones. So, please, find the link below and come and join us. Yeah, come and join us on our group.
Absolutely.
So guys, if you like the video, hit that like button.
And if you don't, just let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you've got any comments in regards to future videos you want us to see, any questions on the new group that we've created, Photographers Creative Workshop, or anything that you feel that you want us to critique us and help us, just let us know in the comment section below.
And also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of future updates.
And the model that was involved in the shoot, all her social media links will be down below.
So guys, we'll see you in the next one.
And we'll see you next time, hopefully not too long.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.